Bye-bye.
Oh, where's Kate at? Why are we saying bye-bye?
I gotta go. That's why.
Yo, so when we were in class,
Is this the intro?
when we were in class,
Bye. Bye-bye.
To like and subscribe. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Where's Kate at?
Bro, no.
Not yet.
This is not the intro. This is not the intro.
Then it's for me and you.
Just put that like at the end.
Yo, what's up? This
The
is
third day 3 of the vlogs of Baby Leaf, you know.
This is the Baby Leaf tapes.
Yep.
Anyways,
Okay,
just
since
come on.
it's the 9-year anniversary of Harambe's death.
Oh my
just
gosh,
say-
Harambe.
Rest in peace to Harambe, but I gotta say one more thing.
Run it back, run it
Run
back.
it back.
Run it back. No
If
guns
you know what
this
I'm
time.
saying. No guns this time.
No guns. Like 8v1. Who's winning? Put in the comments who's winning. Harambe or 8 people. Without guns.
I don't even know. Alright, we out. We're gonna see you, what?
I'm swerving in that corner. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey,
No, put this on. Man, I just love me some kids on bikes, you know. This time, all this will go well. Give me it. Give me the bike. Looks like we solved the mystery, guys. The bike is not a bike. It's
Alright.
actually a sandwich.
Hey, see you guys there. Day 3 of vlogging. Baby Leaf. Make sure to subscribe, hit a like, maybe drop a comment, and
Drop a
you
comment.
gotta
and say-
like to help me because it's so cold in this state and I can't afford jackets. Did that.
Because I know you're not following it or not subscribing. Well, do it. I'm talking to you, Tyson. Do it. Oh, yeah, and Mason. Oh, yeah, and Jackson. Oh, yeah, and Cooper. Oh, yeah, and Casey. My Sigma quotes. If you know that if you Sigma, Sigma. Oh, it looks like the cornball is down there. Not that kid, but that kid right there. If you can see the red sweatshirt, that's the kid that ruined it all. And I got something to say for him. You're a geek. That's all I gotta say. Well, at the end of the school year, we're gonna have a big vlog, right? Yep, big. Not confirmed. Okay, how about this? If we get to 30 subscribers at the end of the school year, which is actually... You might know. Shut up! If we get to 30 subscribers at the end of the school year, which is Thursday, we will have the big vlog, okay? It's going to be a really big vlog. We'll have a lot of people in it. You know, like I said, we don't know who's going to be in it yet. Stop putting the camera so close to me. I don't like it. But, you know. So, get us 30 subscribers, okay? Thank you. I'm out. How you doing with you? I just thought about it. You know how the Jolly Ranchers, you know, people are rating them, all the 5 main ones. It's going viral right now, so how about we do it, okay? So my ranking, number 5 we have cherry. Tastes like absolute medicine. Number 4, number 4 we got watermelon. Yep, tastes like just like cherry, tastes like medicine, but it's slightly better. And number 3, and number 3, I have grape. You know, grape.
Grape is 0. Grape is so bad.
See, a lot of people like these 2 kids over here think grape's bad. I think it's pretty good. On number 2, we have apple, green apple.
What?
Green apple is really good. I don't know what these kids are talking
So,
about.
this guy's gonna put blue at the top.
Yeah, blue is at the top.
Dog!
Blue
Blue is not that good.
Okay,
Worst rating this side of
alright,
Mississippi.
Let's hear LJ's rating then.
Alright, my rating, number 5, grape. Grape
Yeah!
is so bad.
Grape is literally
Grape
so
is
good.
so bad. Number
Get a load
4,
of this guy.
number 4, green apple. Green apple is so bad.
No, number 4 is great.
You're doing it.
No,
off of,
no.
You're doing it off of popularity. I swear you
Number
are.
3 is watermelon. Watermelon is not
Ah,
that
dude,
good.
Dude, I thought you said grape was bad.
Off of popularity.
Number 3. Wait, number. What am I on?
2.
Okay, number 2 is
Blue.
Blue.
Oh.
Raspberry. Number 1 is cherry.
My number 1 is cherry.
Cherry
Yeah.
tastes like absolute medicine.
Cherry's so bad.
Exactly.
What?
Cherry,
It's obviously watermelon at the top.
cherry is phenomenal.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Man, it's gonna be a short vlog today since it's rainy. We couldn't go to the park. Couldn't go to McDonald's either, like last time.
Yeah.
But so we're gonna say goodbye. Bye-bye. But before I leave, I know I've told you this like 5 times, but you need to like, subscribe, favorite if you're on TikTok, follow if you're on TikTok, and just do all of them. You know, comment on both TikTok and YouTube. You know, we love those supporters. Stop putting the camera close to my face.
Oh, I got one more thing. I got one more thing for you guys.